Okay, so this is our first order of proven winners ever. A lot of people are curious of how they're packed, how they come, and what they look like. So today we're gonna find out. Here we go. I think we have a problem. Okay, so this is box 1 of 3. As you can see, they're all in packaged paper. Got a couple of catalogs and magazines from proven winners. And we'll pull out each one individually. So first here we have a Super Tuner Bordeaux. Here we have a Super Tuner Picasso in blue. Here we have a Snow Princess, Alyssum. We got a few blooms in there. Another Super Tuner Bordeaux. Another Super Tuner Bordeaux. Another Alyssum with a few blooms as well. Then I also ordered a Alyssum White Knight. And another Alyssum White Knight. Okay, so here's box number 2. So I'm a little excited for one of these because we ordered a Denim and lace. And I'm curious to see how they come. This one's not it, but let's see what we got here. All right, so here we have a Super Tuner Priscilla. And all these are looking pretty healthy. No blooms yet, maybe a little bit starting to. I believe we ordered 6 of these. Yep, another Super Tuner Priscilla. Super Tuner Priscilla. And I'm just going to skip over this. Do the same Super Tuner Priscilla. Super Tuner Priscilla. And another Super Tuner Priscilla. That's all 6. And then these are the ones me and my wife are really excited for. It is the Prince Tutgrass. And these look pretty good. Good height on them. This one I'll open to see how high this one looks. A lot of growth on this one as well. So this is box number 3, and I was assuming that the Denim and lace were in this one because it's a lot bigger. Just curious to know how they're actually packed. They're 1 gallon pots. And these are packed in boxes inside of boxes. So as you can see, these have a ways down in here. I'm gonna try to get this out without damaging any of the plant. These have way more growth than I expected. So this is actually really good looking. Can't wait to see those bloom. And they're pretty moist, so it looks like they have good watering before they actually sent them. And one of my biggest fears was the packing and how they were gonna come. You know, a lot of these carriers really don't take into consideration the money you spend on stuff, but Proven Winners did an awesome job packing this. They even included an empty box to keep all 3 from banging around and moving around. Very pleased with the shipping. Very pleased with the way the plants look. I mean, a lot of green to them. Okay, so this is all the stuff we ordered from Proven Winners. When I went online, I was searching for videos of, you know, how the packaging was, what it looked like, what kind of care there was for the shipments. I hope this is a good, useful tool for you guys whenever you order something and are curious to know how they're gonna come and what decision you need to make as far as where you're gonna order from or what you're gonna order. They all look good. One thing that they do fail to mention though is the fragrance on all these flowers. Even the Super Tunias, they have a very, very great fragrance. The Denim and Lace, that's just right now, I can't get enough of it. It smells awesome. But here you go. I hope this helps. Can't wait to get planting.